Hello guys, on this video we're going to talk about how to do our quiz and how to work on our assignment, or at least how to clone our project. So every day we'll have a quiz for these things that we're going to learn. So assume that you're on the day 2, and once you go to this site like in Entire Academy, and down here you can see, like, for each day. So click on day 2 for example, and click on daily quiz. Once you click on daily quiz, it will ask you a bunch of questions that is covered on that day. So go ahead and, do the quiz. It will kind of check your knowledge, how much you have understand the material, and it will also help you prepare for the interview later on. The other thing that we're going to talk about is how to clone our coding assignment. To clone our coding assignment, what you want to do first is you want to go to Entire Academy, this GitHub, and the first thing you want to do is there is a readme as well. So the first thing what you want to do is you want to click on fork, right? So once you click on fork, since I haven't logged in here, but if you are logged in there, it will ask you to create a different repository on your own. So go ahead and create the repository. So, and once you name the repository and click, you can create on your own. The other thing you want to do is you want to clone the repository that you just created, and you want to clone it to the location that can be easily found. Once you clone your fork repository, what you want to do is you want to go to that file path, and inside that file, what you want to do is you want to do git remote add upstream. Just copy this as it is. Once you finish this, go ahead and type git fetch upstream on your terminal, and once you're done that, it will get everything that is from the original repository. Since you are forking the original repository, you will still get everything that is in the original, but in order to make your own, we have to follow this two step. And the third one is you want to merge to the upstream main. This will look up anything that is not yet merged to your current repository, comparing to the original Entire Academy assignment one. So this is a one-time thing. So every time when you do git add, commit, push, and if the original repository have something new, you can do git fetch upstream and git merge upstream main. If you do this one, this will pull the latest code on your repository as well. Okay, the other thing that we're going to talk about is how to do the homework for each day. So what you want to do is you want to open your repository. So let me show how that works. So I'm gonna close my IntelliJ. So I'm gonna remove this as well, so you guys can see step by step. So I'm gonna click on open. I'm gonna go to my Entire Academy assignments. So once I open this one, let me close all of this. So it will look something similar to this. Okay. So once you open this file, a folder, you will see something called source, and sometimes, the dependency get downloaded, so it might take a little bit time till you see all this in formatted way. But once you see source, go ahead and open source, click on main, and in here you will find daily assignment with the test. We'll talk about how test works and everything on later videos, but just for now. Let's demonstrate for the day 2. So day 2 we have our class node that we'll be talking about, and the other one is we have a class examples that is being demonstrated during our session for that specific day. And the main important thing is that exercise. So every day we'll have a what we're gonna learn, just like data types, followed by the exercise. So on this one we have around 48 exercises that will help you build more understanding on the data type. So what you want to do is you want to read the instruction, what it says, and you want to write the code to get the result based on the question that is being asked. So for example, in here, so this question has asked, the 4 birds are sitting on a branch, one flies away, how many birds are left on the branch? So in order to make this work, we said, okay, int initial number of birds are 4, so that's what it says. 4 birds are sitting on a branch. The other one is birds that flew away, so the birds that flew away is 1, so we say, okay, the one bird is flew away. Now we need to find the remaining number of birds, right? So the question asks how many birds are left on the branch now. So what you want to do is we want to make this a new variable, giving a remaining number of birds name for the variable. Since this is a whole number that we're using, 4 and 1, we wanna subtract the initial number of birds minus the birds that flew away, which will give us the answer. So this is all for the how to install Java and how to work on assignment. I'll see you guys on next video.